Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left unseen while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. For said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and all I teach you. Take my arms and I'll lead you. But my words, like silent raindrops burn, echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed to the neon god they made. In the silence shouting its warning, and the words that it was forming. In the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls. Hear a whisper in the sound of silence.